brings the spark that feels so right. Chad and Ty light up the scene. Coca culture chasing dreams unseen. Find your why, it's in the air. Through the parks and thrills we share. Cruising waves or gaming high. Coca culture shows you why. Whoa,
Breakfast is over, folks, and we are here for our first adventure of the day, which is hopefully going to be full of adventures. So let me show you who all's with us, and then we'll show you what we're doing, but you can kind of get a sneak peek at the back. So Chad is here, Jess is here, Ty is here, Darlene is here, and then Ron and Mandy are over there. They're running back to the hotel real quick to get something, but we are literally right across the street from our hotel. And again, if you've been a friend to the channel for a while, you know we love our Alpine coasters, and there is a mountain coaster directly across the street, so we're gonna give it a shot. All right, we made it up here. They do have lockers because you can't take bags or purses on. You do have to fill out a waiver online in order to participate. You can, and let me show you guys, these are the rules. So you can ride by yourself if you're 54 inches, but I think both boys are riding with somebody. I think Chad and Mandy are gonna ride together, Ty and me are gonna ride together, and Jess gets to ride by herself, which is what she's fine with. And if I were a good YouTuber, I would have brought my GoPro, which I meant to do, to film this, but we know I'm not a great YouTuber. So Ron brought his.
We know people.
And Ron was nice enough to allow me to borrow it. Ron trusts me. So I'm going to use Ron's to try to give you guys a POV on this.
Or if the people in front of you stop, other than that, you're welcome to go as fast or as slow as you like. Going up at first will be automatic. You'll be taken up on a cable. Once you reach the top and are heading down, that's when you'll decide to control those speeds until you reach the exit here. Any questions?
Alrighty, folks, we are going up.
With
Zach
Ty too.
Yep, Zach and Ty with you. Ty is in control of the GoPro. God help us. Ron, if anything happens to it, it's Ty's fault.
No, he forced me to do this, so it's his fault.
So y'all are getting Ty's perspective on the Georgia mountain coaster up here in Helen. We love these things. If y'all remember when we did our trips
To Tennessee.
Yep, to Gatlinburg, Pigeon Forge, that area, we did as many of these as we could. And that has been a while. I feel like that's been a couple of years. So this is the first one in a while. We are in a red coaster. Mandy and Chad are right behind us in an orange coaster, much to Mandy's chagrin. She'd probably much rather be in this one. And I don't know what color Mom ended up with, but Mom is all by herself, and I am sure she is going to enjoy this 5 minutes of solitude away from us. Yeah, it's still on. So as long as you see that little red dot blinking, it's good. Do not stop on the track. I don't plan to. I plan to keep the pedal to the metal, so to speak. Push forward now. And brake is pull up. All right. Here we go, folks. See how this compares to our
Tennessee one.
Yeah, it won't be hard to beat that Goats on the Roof coaster. That was a really good one. As was the newer one we went to. Here we go. Let's see if we see. Oh, there's Mandy and Chad. Uh-oh. actually putting the brakes on a little bit.
Imagine.
I know, right? Woo! 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 Oh! Holy moly, folks! Zoom, zoom, zoom.
Yeah.
Thank goodness for these curves. Look at us picking up speed. Woo! Almost felt like we were going on one wheel.
That would be a unicycle.
Oh, slow down, slow down. Don't want to hit the people in front of us. That would not be good.
Yeah.
Where are y'all going?
Here come Mandy and Chad.
We're here. Y'all are going so slow.
Okay, Miss Annie.
Look, Jess is right behind them, literally.
Listen, we were enjoying our peaceful ride.
We were going full speed. We actually got the thrill.
We were zooming. Jess, were you zooming?
Yeah. We actually got the thrill, unlike them.
And like any good ride, you exit through the gift shop. So they got some nice long sleeve shirts and sweatshirts here. They've got some pretty cool hats. Mainly filming this for our boy Mr. Tryhard so he can compare his hats to their hats. That one probably, these are probably the closest to what we're looking at with the Hometown Coast signature leatherette. There you go, free sponsorship there for you, Jason. I do love the logo that they have here for the mountain coaster. Big fan. Then over here they do have specific Helen merchandise, so you can get your Helen shot glasses or Das Boot down here if you want to get Das Boot shot glass and Helen shirts. And then we love these cups. These cups are great. If y'all don't have some, you need to get some of these. Jess and Mandy are loving these sweatshirts because they are ridiculously soft sweatshirts. Like, I can't even describe to y'all. This is very soft, Ty.
It could be soft.
Need a Stein? Anybody? Anybody need a Stein? We got giant ones. No. I know I'm a Georgia educator, but that ain't spelled right. Plus, gooder isn't a word. We found the Coker section over here, which would be the sail rack. Yes, we can do those. I actually really, really like this hat, mainly because I really like this color. That's neat. I think I like this better with the wording in white. Jason, I'm gonna need you to get a hat that's this color for me, please. Well, hey there, friends. Coming to close this video out. I hoped to have Ty with me, but Tasmanian Devil Ty is so hard to settle down to sit and talk for any amount of time that was an impossible task. But I wanted his breakdown to be able to give you guys on the coaster since he was with me. But what I'll say is it was fun, but it was very short, especially in comparison to a lot of the other mountain coasters that we've done over the last couple of years. Just the incline itself, okay, the pull up to get started was twice as long as the actual coaster. And for the price of $17 a person, mind you, I know Ty was a little cheaper. It's kind of steep. They do have a monopoly on the fact that there's no other mountain coasters in the area. And they do great business because they stay busy. So personal recommendations, if you haven't done it before, it's worth it. Go ahead, do it. You'll have fun. But since we've done it now, in our return trips to Helen, I don't think we'll be forking over the money to do it again unless the boys just want to or would like to. But both of them kind of got off saying, it was okay. It wasn't great in comparison to some of the others that we rode in our previous trips and vlogs all over Tennessee and North Georgia. If you enjoyed this video, Please give it a like, as it goes a long way to help our channel. If you're new here, hope you'll hit that subscribe button, because we truly believe that there's something here for everybody at Coker Culture. Until next time, what's your why?